You're listening to the Yahoo Finance Small Cap Show, powered by AGORACOM.com, the web's leading small cap portal.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the show. My name is Al O'Grady, and with us today is the president and CEO of New Dawn Mining, Mr. Ian Saunders. New Dawn Mining is an up-and-coming gold exploration company with a number of interests in Zimbabwe and South Africa. The company has 3 mines, 2 production facilities, and has a workforce of over 800 to take advantage of these opportunities. New Dawn Mining trades on the TSX under the symbol ND. That's N as in Nancy, D as in David. Mr. Saunders, welcome to the program.
Hi, Al. How are you?
I'm fine, Ian. How are you?
Great. I'm fine. And thanks for having me on the show again.
Yes. Always our pleasure to chat with you, Ian. Let's jump right into this. Ian, date of today's recording, Tuesday, May 5th. Yesterday, New Dawn announced that you anticipate to actually increase the mining output by more than 50% from 700 to 750 ounces of gold per month to around that 1,200 ounces of gold per month mark. How are you able to do that, and what sort of impact is that going to be having on the company?
Great question, Al. But basically yesterday's news release that announced these figures, essentially the state of the release was that we're moving back into a full operational mode in our operations in Zimbabwe. So when we discussed in late February, New Dawn, its assets, its opportunities, and what we think, there were a number of changes in Zimbabwe that we alluded to, and these have basically worked themselves through to the point now that we have been able to deliver our gold, get paid for our gold, and are starting to ramp back up to where we are. So what we see is between the 700 to 750, which we've been operating in the last sort of 6 weeks or so, to the point that we get to the 1,500 to 1,200 ounces per month in September this year. We're basically essentially getting back to where we were as a company prior to the extreme economic difficulties in Zimbabwe. At $900 gold, costs around the 450 mark. This is going to be a significant